its propeller is on the wrong place. It's got two wheels there, and he's already sucked up the mainland and nose gear. And this guy bought this plane that looks like it's flying backwards all the way from Western Alberta, Canada. This is Burt Rutan's very unique design called the Long Easy. But to see one fly in the air show industry, well, you got to come here because this Fowler, Kyle's late father, inspired Kyle to get into aviation. Doing the barrel roll that we saw demonstrated earlier by Red Line, carving out the inside of the barrel. The goal of starting and stopping at the same altitude, airspeed, and heading. And I don't think you better land, sir. You better hold it off because there's a motorcycle out there and there's a bunch of stuff in the way.
I'll see if I can't scare him off the runway, Rob.
All right, that works for me.
You've got to come back up now.
Is that by any chance Cody Elkins?
I'll let you know. I'm going to go take a look. I'll tell you in a second.
Yeah, Cody is quite the rider out there. He's got some records and stuff, and Cody Elkins is going to try to jump ramp to ramp, and flying under him on this roll right now is going to be Kyle Fowler. Let's watch. Get your cameras on this, everybody. 3, 2, 1. No, didn't do it that time. This is the first time at Pensacola we've ever done this. Now almost behind the Thunderbirds, coming in at just about 90 miles an hour, I think. Here we go. How about that? A successful jump.
All right, folks, if you didn't catch it the first time, let's get it this time.